Welcome to Smart Tech, the channel where we explore the latest advancements in agricultural technology and agroengineering. The Oxbow 9120 Raspberry Harvester is a highly efficient raspberry harvesting machine that ensures quick and accurate harvesting. It's equipped with special grippers that gently lift the berries from the bush, minimizing damage. During operation, the raspberries pass through a filtration system where leaves and debris are separated, and then the berries are carefully directed into the hopper. The Jade 5750's unique design with two vertical shafts and specialty paddles provides uniform mixing of various components including hay, silage, and grain. This machine can handle up to 1,500 pounds of feed per load, accelerating the feeding process and reducing labor costs. The optional high travel loading feature allows it to be used on various terrain types. The Spaperi 741 is equipped with grippers that gently hold the tobacco stalks, after which the integrated knives cut the leaves at the desired height. The cut material is then transferred to a conveyor belt, where it's all sorted and cleaned. The leaves are then moved to special crates for neat storage. The process is all automated, eliminating the need for manual intervention and increasing productivity. And this trailer is equipped with a hydraulic roof and a 130-degree opening tailgate for convenient loading and unloading of bulky materials. Hydraulic controls simplify the process by providing quick raising and lowering of the roof and a high degree of tailgate control. Meet the incredible helper for willow harvesting, the Prinoth Panther T16 track dumper paired with a special tool. With a payload of up to 33,000 pounds, the Panther T16 effortlessly transports enormous volumes of willow, even through the toughest areas. The willow harvester carefully cuts and loads the raw material into the dumper, and the Panther T16, with impressive offload capability, delivers it to its destination. This team ensures efficiency and reliability, turning willow harvesting into a real technological celebration. The Land Manijek Type 1090-1240 is an innovative approach to fertilizer and liquid soil application. With a powerful hydraulic drive and pressure control system, this injector guarantees accuracy and uniformity up to 20 inches deep. With an automatic dose adjustment feature, the Type 1090-1240 makes the job fast and very efficient, minimizing costs and increasing yields. Do you want your plants to receive the perfect nutrition without any extra effort? Then you know what machine to look for. Imagine a field perfectly plowed by your new assistant, the Agbot 5.115 T2. This autonomous beast gets the job done with ease, providing 13 feet of grip and up to 12 inches of depth. With its powerful electric motor and advanced sensors, the Agbot handles up to 15 acres per hour, ensuring smooth and quality plowing. This smart robot not only saves you time, but also increases your productivity. Are you ready for a revolution in agriculture? The Agbot 5.115 T2 will show you how it's possible. You see the Guardian self-propelled sprayer with front boom from New Holland. With a ground clearance of up to 6.5 feet, it's one of the highest in the field. This means it can be used to spray crops at all stages of growth. This model has 410 horsepower, a 7,300-liter tank, and booms up to 138 feet wide, which together allow you to treat more acres in an hour. Its high-tech cab provides maximum comfort, clear visibility, and control over your work thanks to more space. The Guardian's tight turning radius allows for fast, precise turns on the headland, reducing crop damage and easy maneuverability in the most demanding situations. Dreaming of a mower that not only covers a 31.1-foot width, but also transforms your field into a work of art? Meet the Disco 9700, a giant among mowers, designed for maximum yields of up to 60 tons per hectare and neat swathing. The new active float system ensures that even on difficult terrain, every bit of ground is perfectly tilled. The double drive of the roller conditioner and the optimal crop flow make this machine unbeatable in the care of green forage. Experience in your own field how Class Engineering Solutions turns conventional harvesting into a high-tech process because of the Disco 9700 RC Auto Swather. Your farm will step into the future of agricultural technology. Versatile's Delta Track continues to be the class leader in the marketplace. The 530, 580, and 620 models never lack for power and combine the expertise of Versatile's engineers and several key industry partners such as Cummins, CAT, and Camso. With the largest cab in its segment, the most advanced undercarriage in the industry, and serviceability, Delta Track is the perfect combination of power, comfort, and reliability. Forget boring days in the field with the Marcrest 210 baler. This machine will turn hay collection into real fun. Imagine the 210 speeding across your field, collecting and pressing bales so quickly and efficiently, you won't even have time to drink your morning coffee. With impressive power and reliable construction, each bale will be neatly packed and ready for transport. With the Marcrest 210, you won't have to worry about losing hay or uneven pressing. It handles the task 110%. Believe me, your farm has never seen such efficiency. SmartTrack's T8 Genesis models are progressive in traditional tractor design, combining the benefits of a wheeled tractor in the field with the passing and traction advantages of a tracked machine. Designed in-house specifically for the T8 Genesis series, and available on the T8.410 and T8.435 models, SmartTrack is not just an alternative to rear wheels. Drivetrain modifications ensure maximum power and torque are transferred to the tracks for reliable performance in the most demanding applications. The combination of steerable front wheels and SmartTrack provides excellent traction. The electrically driven front wheels provide the maneuverability of a conventional tractor, and the Terralock differential lock control system keeps the tractor running smoothly, unlike two-track machines. With high traction, the T8 Genesis SmartTrack provides the most optimal balance between power and performance. Before you is a legend of the sky, now also a farming assistant. It takes off from the airfield in 5 points to irrigate fields with surgical precision. It once rescued the wounded in a jungle. Now it saves crops from heat. One engine, 2 propellers, and a ton of professionalism on board. With a 691 horsepower engine and 4 independent rubber tracks, it pulls implements weighing up to 40 tons while maintaining minimal soil pressure. The auto-track system and hydraulic force enable full automation during plowing, seeding, and cultivating. The pick ride harvester cuts stalks, collects ripe fruits, and disposes of plant residues. Conveyor lines and optical sensors ensure clean tomatoes, ready for further processing. In this video, all the advantages of the self-propelled spraying machine series, Horst Lieb 6.300 to 7.300 PT, are presented in person. The first of these is the stainless steel tank with a capacity of 7,400 liters. The ergonomic front cabin of the Class brand is also worth highlighting, as well as stability and comfort thanks to the cross connection at the level of the suspension system, which avoids the phenomenon of rocking back and forth. This equipment has a powerful 310 horsepower FPT engine equipped with 3 variable flow pumps, one of which drives the oversized motor wheels, whose power has been increased by 30% compared to previous models. And most importantly, you get reliable and precise application thanks to the proven Horst boom. And what's more, the machine has an automatic nozzle change system that ensures quality spraying regardless of travel speed. The Cavalli & Cavalli stone roller is like a steamroller over chaos. It crushes, compacts, and buries stones, turning a field into a flat canvas ready for sowing. A powerful rotor in an oil bath works tirelessly in dust and rock, asking only for fuel and respect. These reels are not just hoses, but orchestra players in a floral waterfall. Furbo delivers moisture to the bulbs precisely, losing neither a drop nor an inch. Smart control systems, adjustable pressure and spray length. The whole irrigation process becomes a finely tuned drip waltz. Want to feel the earth yield to your movement? The Challenge Plow by Kel cuts into the ground with such power and precision that all you need to do is drive straight and enjoy the perfect tilling. Now forget herbicides. American farmers literally burn weeds. A system with pinpoint flame delivery heats up to 2 million BTUs and destroys the cell structures of unwanted vegetation in seconds without touching the crops. Smart, precise, robotic. The Iseki-sane plants rice in 8 rows with such meticulousness, it might have been programmed by samurai. Electronics control the process, rows are ruler straight, and the result is a stable harvest with minimal effort. The Automec agavalator takes on all the heavy lifting, leaving workers with only one job, not to get in its way. This semi-automatic, electric-powered lifting-enabled unit maintains harvesting pace while saving workers' backs, because radicchio demands respect. With this Franquette tractor and tiller combo, the soil becomes table smooth. It crushes clods, levels the surface, and creates a perfect seedbed in a single pass. High speed and power turn field prep into total soil transformation. Cult is like weed surgery, but without chemicals. Mechanical control between and within rows works with centimeter precision. No rogue stems, just clean gaps. Ideal for organic farming and those who avoid herbicides. Thanks to the Reichhardt system with inch-perfect steering control, this mower moves across the field as if on a string, perfectly aligning rows of hay and grass. The hydrostatic transmission ensures smooth operation at any speed. This corn roasting harvester is equipped with a direct flame system that processes stalks and leaves, eliminating weeds and fungal infections without chemicals. The flame intensity is adjustable for uniform roasting. High-precision planting machines work in sync with the team, ensuring uniform depth and spacing between vines. This coordination and advanced technology accelerate planting and boost yields. A floating irrigation pump redefines watering methods. Gently moving along canals, it delivers water to even the most remote areas, ensuring even moisture distribution and optimal crop growth. This versatile machine simultaneously collects stones and trims grass or plant remnants, leaving the field in perfect condition. With a working width of nearly 19 feet and a powerful mechanism, Spartan saves time by combining two tasks in one. The John Deere feed mixer lifts, mixes, and levels feed to make it more accessible for livestock. Side paddles collect scattered remnants, while the adjustable feed mechanism accurately delivers feed to troughs, with no waste or extra effort. First, the Valentini NA Navajo 1800 cultivator with a 6-foot wide 39-tooth cutter chops all the plants with the first pass, and the second pass handles the remaining pieces. Then comes the Valentini FI Ivan 1000 cutter bar with a 3.5-foot width and 90 tines, which works 12 to 14 inches deep, shredding the roots. These machines are working at a limit. The T7's operating speed is only 0.6 miles per hour because the cutter is spinning at 245 RPM. Are you ready to see how powerful machinery handles a tough job? Imagine unloading barley from a huge silo bag extraction Akron sausage bag. A sight worthy of an Australian farm. Silage bags, affectionately known here as sausage bags or sausage sacks, can store huge volumes of grain. The Akron system unloads the barley neatly and efficiently, preserving its quality. You know, as people say, sometimes it's better to see once than to hear 10 times. And so, here it is. The planning process is so fascinating and very unusual that my advice to you is to watch carefully without taking your eyes off the screen. Spinach, meet your new best friend, the KLH 1400. This powerful machine, with an engine that could easily pick up wind and an innovative automatic depth control system, turns harvesting into a magical act. With its 4.5-foot working width, each row of spinach is neatly cut as if you were doing it by hand, but many times faster. The perfectly clean leaves, harvested thanks to a high-tech cleaning system, are ready to be sent to market. How about having your spinach harvested with jewel-like precision and ease? Imagine how the Fendt 211P and Raynox turn the process of spreading liquid fertilizer in the vineyard into a true art form. The powerful Fendt 211P tractor, with its 110 horsepower, provides the precision and maneuverability you need in the vineyard. In tandem with a Raynox system, which distributes fertilizer evenly, your vines receive the perfect nutrition. You can forget about uneven doses and wasted time. This pair will do everything for you. Watch the Scorpion S1100 uproot stumps with ease. This beast of a stump gripper works like a true professional, pulling out even the most stubborn roots. Powerful hydraulics and rugged construction make it an indispensable helper in the garden and on the construction sites as well. With the Scorpion S1100, you'll forget about hard manual labor and can quickly prepare the site for new projects. Just watch it work and enjoy a clean, ready-to-plant or build site. Servo 3000 with 3 to 5 bodies is the middle of Pottinger's mounted reversible plows, designed for medium-sized tractors up to 200 horsepower. The plow impresses with its simple adjustment center and a wide range of customization options. The proven body of this plow, in combination with various additional implements, guarantees perfect incorporation of crop residues as a basis for the following harvest. This machine consists of a cross-shaped frame with hardened steel disc chains with sharp edges attached to its 4 open sides. The concave interchangeable discs are suspended together by hinges to form a flexible unit whose weight can be varied between 176 and 265 pounds per foot by means of additional segments. These particularly heavy chains provide optimal adaptation to soil structure due to their weight and mobility, and according to the company, are designed for more aggressive chopping of hard crop residues than classic disc harrows. Flegel promises to significantly reduce operating costs through simple tensioning of the wide chain pulley frame and consequent savings in herbicides, which is a particular advantage in weed control and resistance. Have you ever wondered how you can grow fresh produce right amidst the hustle and bustle of the city? Vertical farming from Vertical Field makes this possible. This outstanding method allows you to cultivate healthy and natural produce on ondoor urban farms where every square inch is utilized to its maximum potential. With the vertical arrangement of plants, the farm takes up minimal space and requires little maintenance. So, soon everyone will be able to enjoy fresh, pesticide-free vegetables and herbs from every such local farm. The K3000 is a revolutionary harvesting machine, especially for coffee beans, designed to work on various land types. With the ability to adjust the side slope by 30%, weighing 18 pounds and measuring only 10.5 feet wide, this machine has simply outstanding maneuverability. These features make the K3000 an easy to transport from one plantation to another. The model is equipped with an advanced steering system and provides easy maneuverability, even in areas with narrow row spacing, allowing you to quickly move from one coffee row to another. This ability makes the machine the ideal companion for efficient coffee harvesting, where every minute counts and every bean counts. KWS, together with the University of Göttingen and the Institute for Sugar Beet Research, have decided to tackle weeds in a new way, with robots. As part of the project Future Live, they tested robotic systems to combat pesky weeds in sugar beet fields. It sounds like science fiction, but it's reality. To think about it, robots that make sure our beets are healthy and weed-free. Things like this not only make farmers' lives easier, but also make agriculture more planet-friendly. The Grimm Prius 440 is characterized by its modular design, which offers a wealth of customization possibilities and provides a high level of operating comfort. Thanks to its unique design with goose drawbar, intermediate frame, and separate lifting mechanism, this machine allows you to work the soil with any standard tool. At the same time, you can apply fertilizer, granules, furrow dressing, and liquid fertilizer, and plant potatoes at the same time. The Grimm Prius 440 is a true multifunctional assistant for your farm, which makes your work in the field more efficient and convenient. In a mature South Australian almond orchard, the Kelly Model 1204 is hard at work. This disc harrow is not just a machine, but a Swiss Army knife for farmers. It handles pests with ease, turns post-harvest residue into fertilizer, and prepares the soil for new crops, all thanks to its unique rhomboid-shaped system, which allows you to adapt different discs and spike chains for any task. And all this without the traditional heaviness. In Chandler's young walnut orchard in Greece, the X16 harvester shows its best. Forget walnuts, this guy is working with something else. With a large hopper capacity, it handles the crop without too much interruption. But what's really impressive is how the X16 manages dusty conditions thanks to the dual motor filters, providing peace of mind in even the hottest conditions. Truly, the X16 is a cool nut harvesting machine that makes hard work easy and efficient. Automec new Urbex 9200. Not just a harvesting machine, but your best herb picker. With this wonder of technology, herb harvesting becomes a process of the highest precision. The Urbex 9200 is equipped with an advanced cutting system that allows adjusting the height from 1 to 3 inches for ideal plant care. Thanks to its powerful engine and wide 36-inch cutting platform, the machine processes large areas in less time, reducing labor costs. The compact design and improved maneuverability make the Urbex 9200 ideal for farms of any size, ensuring high productivity in herb harvesting. There's no need to sacrifice quality for speed if you have the Automec 8300. This combine is specially designed for precise and gentle leaf crop harvesting, equipped with a system that allows processing of up to 6 rows in one pass. With the ability to adjust the cutting height, it ensures careful handling of each plant, maintaining their integrity and quality. The powerful engine of the harvesting combine provides reliability in operation, and its design makes maintenance simple and economical. This combine will become a valuable asset to your farm, helping to achieve maximum results with minimal effort. Meet the Damcon HWD 355 cultivator, your new garden ninja. This guy doesn't just fight weeds, he does it stylishly with his horizontal hose that carefully cut weeds at the root, leaving them no chance to resurrect. But the real trick is how it distributes the soil. A thin layer like a barista sprinkling cocoa on your cappuccino. And if you add a finger or torsion weeding, your soil will be treated so well that even weeds will start to think twice before appearing. Meet the Retriever from Tubeline, a true master of hay loading that will make your farm life easier and more enjoyable. This is not just any loader, it's your personal assistant in the world of agricultural technology. Thanks to the Retriever, every hay bale will now be collected and stacked with incredible precision and speed. Forget back pain and wasted time. Your new mechanized friend will handle any volume of work, giving you more time for what really matters. Allow the Kuhn MM1101 and 1301 Merge Max Triple Mergers to transform your approach to harvest collection. These machines can process strips up to 29.5 feet wide, which means maximum coverage with minimal effort. From quick control setting changes, faster than you can say hydraulics, to easy field maneuvering, every detail is thought out to perfection. Your farm deserves to be a masterpiece of efficiency, and these machines will help you achieve that. It's time to act, not delay. Your berry plantation has never seen a pro like the Oscar 4WD HESCAP. This self-propelled berry harvester is a true jackpot for any farmer. It doesn't just collect berries, it does so with such dexterity and speed that it seems like a wizard is at work. With its full drive and smart navigation, no difficult sections will be an obstacle. The Oscar 4WD HESCAP carefully collects each berry without damaging it, leaving you with a rich and quality harvest. Meet the Van Hook Combine, the perfect partner for those tired of crooked cuts and uneven cabbage harvesting. This compact wonder combine is so smart that its harvesting speed adjusts to the speed of your tractor, providing VIP treatment for each head of cabbage. No more ripped from the root stories, only perfectly straight cuts. And thanks to the wagon loader, all the harvest will be neatly packed as it's collected. Here's a twist. With Van Hook, your farm will turn into a real factory for producing perfect cabbage. The WV Series vegetable pickers are available in 5 working widths from 4.6 to 6.7 inches. They're also used for the two-phase harvesting method for stable and storable onions. The machine is suitable for beginners in mechanical vegetable harvesting. The crop is gently picked up, cleaned on 2 sifting conveyors, and placed through a funnel into a swath where it is dried, thus increasing the crop's stability and storability. The machine can be perfectly adapted to the prevailing harvesting conditions thanks to the various underfeeding devices and additional optional equipment. The DeWolf RA3060 has already earned its reputation as a high-performance machine through countless hours of work in rainy and dry weather. With standard equipment and optional extras, this machine helps the driver in every possible way to get the best results when harvesting potatoes and carrots. With the roomy new Class Cab, the company has created a comfortable, working environment that is operator-oriented. Harvest and combine movement control panels and a joystick make it easy and comfortable to operate the machine itself. The OWR 6000 linear round bale wrapper from Kuhn provides exceptional wrapping performance with minimal film and fuel consumption. This linear wrapper is designed for demanding farmers and operators who are looking for maximum productivity and profitability in a wrapping machine. The OWR 6000 is capable of quickly wrapping round bales in various sizes, including bales of 4 and 5 feet wide and up to 6 feet in diameter. You see the Schulte GX150 general-purpose rotary mower with a 15-foot flexible wing. Its 10-degree welded steel deck with a single dome makes the mower easy to clean, preventing water, rust, and debris buildup. An 80-degree pivot pinion provides smooth power transfer on tight turns. The best-in-class drive system utilizes Category 6 CVs for 540 RPM and Category 5s for 1000 RPM. The cutter drive itself utilizes self-adjusting friction clutches to protect your investment and consistently operate at peak performance. The unit is equipped with Schulte super suction blades with 6.5-inch blade overlap for maximum lift and grass cutting. The K3000 is a high-performance machine for profitable harvesting in various types of coffee plantations, crops, and grounds. With a 30% side slope adjustment capability, a weight of only 1,719 pounds, and an overall width of 10.5 feet, the K3000 is more maneuverable in operation and can be easily transported to other locations. The machine's steering system allows for faster maneuvering, even in plantations with narrow paths. The machine gets to the next coffee street faster to do what really matters: harvesting coffee with low wastage. This technique has a collector with a minimum height from the ground of 8.2 inches, as well as knives in a new shape and in greater numbers. The result? Great overlap with maximum blade closure as the coffee barrel passes, minimizing ground loss. And this is what the large tree planting machines of the model range from PL50 to PL90 from the DAMCOM program look like. All these machines are equipped with a heavy and high-quality digging element that is ideal for planting alley trees, fruit trees, shrubs, and large conifers. The PL75 and PL90 machine types can be equipped with a lifting mass for planting clumps up to 2.95 feet in diameter. Possible groove widths for these machines range from 1.65 to 2.95 feet. Groove depths range from 1.3 to 1.65 feet. With more than 30 years of experience in designing and manufacturing agricultural equipment, Agronic offers a simple solution. Place the rake in the front. When used with an attachment or front loader, the WR series allows one operator and one tractor to do more work in one pass, saving time, saving fuel, reducing emissions, and reducing soil compaction are the main benefits of operating this equipment. The three models in 16-foot, 20-foot, and 23-foot working widths allow you to rake alone or work with the next implement, such as a baler or self-loading trailer. You're looking at the ultimate revolution in stump removal. The combination of the Model 1720 stump removal equipment and Savannah rotary rakes is the most productive method of converting planted forest to a stump-free condition. When used together, you can convert post-harvest stumps into window stumps at a rate of 20 to 40 acres per day with two tractors, one stump remover, and one rotary rake. Convenient, easy, and very productive. Evrard is once again defining the future of agricultural technology with Meteor R Active, a trailed sprayer that combines innovation and functionality. With its advanced design and compact frame, the sprayer promises high efficiency and ease of operation. With Delta Force booms up to 118 feet or Palmier aluminum booms up to 148 feet, the technique provides a wide range of applications. Integration with auto-terrain and active slant systems ensures precise terrain following, while a unique load transfer system optimizes performance even in the most challenging conditions. With the new PPI continuous circulation system and the smart 7-inch command box display for control, the Meteor R Active sets new standards in spraying. In a world where time and quality are the key to success, the Commander 1 and 3 combine harvesters are breaking new ground in broccoli and cabbage harvesting. Have you ever dreamed of a machine that keeps up with the speed of your work? With these harvesters, picking speed is exactly the same as driving speed, and adjusting the cutting height won't make you stop. Moving at speeds up to 2 miles per hour, you can perform initial crop sorting on the inspection table right on the field. With flexible loading conveyors and food-grade conveyor belts, coupled with a complete camera system for comprehensive surveillance, Commander technology is redefining harvesting standards. Friends, are you ready to welcome a shiny new defender against feathered troublemakers? Yes, I'm talking about laser bird repellers from Bird Control Group. Wondering how to keep your crops or solar panels safe from birds without having to disguise yourself as a scarecrow in a scary costume? The solution has been found, and you can see it on your screens right now. These lasers are not just colorful toys, but the result of years of research and the greatest minds tired of unwanted gifts from birds right on their property. Lakeland introduces the SG400 and SG500, revolutionary fencing systems that will make your sheep and goats rethink their values. Forget endless attempts to keep your flock confined. These systems do it all for you, giving each animal personal space and freedom. It's like an elite club for select sheep and goats with contactless entry. The SG400 and SG500 provide not only security, but also autonomy for your flock, allowing them to enjoy life to the fullest. So if your sheep start to behave a little happier, know that Lakeland is to blame. Open the door to the future of harvesting with the innovative E7000. This self-propelled harvester incorporates advanced technology to guarantee not only complete control and outstanding efficiency, but also to reduce the dust footprint to a minimum. With its impressive eco-clean cleaning system, the E7000 leads the market in cleaning volume, outperforming all competitors. Joystick controls make setup child's play. Everything is under the control of your fingers. A comfortable cab with perfect visibility and an independent floating head that precisely follows the contours of the ground make it an indispensable aid in harvesting almonds, walnuts, pecans, and hazelnuts. Not just any harvester, but your most reliable ally in the pursuit of harvesting perfection. The Cat D11 dozer is the embodiment of power and efficiency. This bulldozer with 850 horsepower guarantees high performance on any terrain. With a blade width of 24 feet and the ability to move up to 230,000 pounds of material, it's ideal for the most large-scale and heavy-duty work. Equipped with advanced technologies, the Cat D11 ensures precise and easy control, reducing task completion time. An indispensable helper in construction and mining. In the world of heavy machinery, exciting duels often occur, and one of them is the Bateman Mag Grab and the Senebogen 825E versus the school bus. These machines, equipped with a powerful magnetic grab, turn ordinary destruction into a real spectacle. Paper clips easily staple sheets, and the Mag Grab with its partner Senebogen 825E staple the school bus to its final destiny, being crushed and dismantled into parts. A spectacle not for the faint-hearted. If winter decides to test your strength, respond with the Vamas SB4504, a snowblower that makes snowfalls laughable. This Arctic Warrior is equipped with a 450 horsepower engine and can clear up to 5,000 tons of snow per hour. Its working width of about 15 feet allows for easy clearing of highways, airfields, and even dance floors for polar bears. The Vamas SB4504 doesn't just clear snow, it makes it run at the side of it. Claas took France by storm by introducing a new generation of Lexion 8000, 7000, 6000, and 5000 series grain harvesters. With cutting units of up to 45.3 feet wide, these machines are a true marvel of technology. Grain bins ranging from 18,000 to 10,000 liters, and the TerraTrack partial suspension allows for a top speed of 25 miles per hour. This line was first shown at the Agritechnica 2019 World Exhibition in Hanover, confirming its status as an innovative product in the agricultural industry. The Grove TM1500 hydraulic truck crane is a giant among machines at the cement plant. Able to lift anything from monolithic concrete blocks to heavy construction rebar, the TM1500 has a lifting capacity of 150 tons and can extend its boom to an impressive 262 feet in height. No matter what task it faces, this crane performs them with precision and speed, making it an indispensable helper in the dynamic environment of cement production. When ordinary rollers seem not cool enough, Ham H25i VC steps onto the stage. This roller is not just a compaction tool, it's your personal superhero on the construction site. With its advanced vibration system and Vervi control technology, it turns even the most difficult areas into perfect smoothness, as if it were flattening your favorite carpet in the living room. A powerful engine and precise control make the ideal helper for all your road needs. So get ready for the Ham H25 IVC to make your work easier, faster, and of course, more efficient. Imagine a clamshell dredger that looks like it was just delivered from the future. The Grab Dredger Go Show with a 200 cubic meter bucket is not just a machine, but a real giant among drag lines. This giant can capture and move such volumes of materials that you'll feel like you're in the middle of a massive clearance operation. With its help, you can capture entire islands of sand or carry out large-scale dredging operations. Harvesting flax has become easier than ever. This flax harvester is designed to turn a labor-intensive process into a light stroll. Thanks to its innovative design, each strand of flax is carefully captured and processed, as if you were working with delicate material. With a powerful engine and advanced cleaning system, it handles the task quickly and efficiently. Rejoice that flax harvesting no longer requires many hours. Now, it's a pleasure. After an unforeseen accident on the access road to the airport, the ship Maiden was temporarily decommissioned. However, thanks to promptly carried out emergency repairs, the ship regained its ability to move. Thus, Maiden set off into the water area, where a tugboat was already waiting. This ship, which has survived a lot, now set off on its next voyage to the Nishi-Oita base, where it'll be prepared for further operation. M2PP Dynamic Compaction is a technology designed for deep soil compaction, where traditional methods may be ineffective. The method involves using heavy loads that are lifted and then freely fall onto the ground surface. Weights up to 20 tons can drop from heights of up to 100 feet, creating shock waves that effectively compact the soil to depths of 10 to 30 feet. This method is ideal for site preparation for construction, especially in areas with weak soils, and significantly accelerates the process of foundation preparation by rapidly and deeply compacting the ground. Explore new possibilities with the Menzimuk M545, a versatile excavator that adapts to any terrain. This excavator with variable geometry chassis can work in conditions where traditional machines cannot reach. Thanks to its unique leg adaptability to the terrain, the M545 easily maneuvers over rocky slopes, swamps, and other challenging landscapes. With a 157 horsepower engine and a digging depth of up to 16.4 feet, the excavator guarantees high productivity in any condition. Get ready for a thrilling spectacle, a time-lapse video capturing the crawler transporter in action. This mechanical giant, used for transporting space rockets and shuttles, looks like something out of science fiction. Imagine this colossus, 131 feet long and 114 feet wide, moving slowly and confidently, carrying loads weighing up to 18 million pounds. Incredible footage will show you how the power and precision of this monster turn each transportation into a real engineering marvel. Sweden takes a step forward with the Mensinen 120 dual power and the Östrand pulp mill, the world's first dual power concept. Engbergs became the first customer to receive this innovative unit on crawler tracks. The plant's decision to double production by 100% required serious logistical upgrades, and the result is visible. By the way, the Mensinen 120 dual power combines two advantages: reduced emissions and cost savings, the perfect combination. In just 1 week, the company lifted 23,000 tons, mainly with the help of the electric motor, achieving an average productivity of 435 tons per hour. The CAS AT7 rock slinger is a master of precise material placement. With a throwing range of up to 130 feet, this machine effortlessly moves stones, gravel, and other materials on construction sites. Precision and efficiency turn the laborious process into an engaging spectacle. Whether working on slopes, narrow spaces, or extensive areas, the rock slinger delivers materials exactly where needed, saving time and effort. Friends, who told you that harvesting tulip bulbs can't be high-tech and efficient? Here's one company that turns that perception of agriculture upside down with the help of a Flemish tulip harvester. Equipped with a double grid, this wonder machine not only harvests but also expertly sieves tulip bulbs right in the sandy soils of Drenthe. This is not just harvesting, but a whole cleaning procedure where each bulb receives VIP treatment. Forget old agricultural practices. Meet the revolutionary FarmWise Vulcan system. This AI wonder worker doesn't just fight weeds. It uses complex machine learning algorithms to precisely analyze each section of your field. The system, trained to select only weeds, keeps beneficial plants healthy and unharmed, minimizing the chemical impact on soil and crops. Vulcan is perfect for reducing costs by optimizing the use of herbicides and fertilizers. Thanks to Vulcan, every decision is now data-based, significantly improving yield. Need a helper in bale collection who doesn't know fatigue and sluggishness? Meet the G1 F125 Combi from GoVile, your new hero in the field. This master of bale binding is equipped with proprietary Ballenfanger and Ballenstopper systems, making each bale not just packed, but perfectly processed. From now on, every bale will be as neat as a birthday present wrapped with love. Need a reliable helper on the farm? The Einsterschaufel from Flegel is like a Swiss Army knife for animal feeding. This technological marvel can do everything, from loading and mixing feed to its neat distribution. The beveled shovel design allows easy control of the feed flow, ensuring that each animal gets exactly as much as it needs without the risk of overfeeding. Add to this the ease of installation on any tractor or loader, and you get a tool that makes farm work more efficient and enjoyable. A Green Alley Architect, a universal crown master. This tractor-powered pruner works right on the streets. It straightens, shapes, trims so that the trees become sculptures. It approaches each tree with respect but firmness, not a single stray branch. When this giant enters the field, hazelnuts start to tremble. It's the largest and most versatile harvester in the world. AMB Rousset has built a monster that shakes, collects, sorts, and loads all at once, leaving no nut behind. Look closer. That very platform unfolds like a giant mechanical hand, gently collecting everything the tree generously gives. A perfectly designed structure catches every nut, without losing a gram. Harvesting becomes much faster and with minimal waste. Don't believe that foam can fight weeds? Well, you should. The Italian development Chiomone has passed testing and hit the market. It covers weed roots with thick foam, like an agronomic dessert. No chemicals, just pressure, temperature, and brilliant physics. Garlic is a finicky fellow. Try pulling it out gently. But the Japanese are ahead again. A compact harvester with precise mechanics handles the job with ease. One pass, the bed's empty, the crate's full, and your back is fine. Not a machine, a lifesaver for farmers who work with brains, not just hands. A high-clearance self-propelled sprayer with a central 1,200-gallon tank and booms up to 132 feet treats corn with fungicide to keep mycotoxins out of silage. Precision farming tech means each nozzle is individually controlled. Boom height is laser managed, and independent hydraulics ensure maneuverability. This John Deere model was born for potatoes. Powerful, nimble, and sure-footed. Working in sync with a potato planter, it lays tubers in the ground like on a ruler. Precision, depth, and uniformity, all scientifically tuned and joyfully executed. In Switzerland, everything runs precisely. And the KVE cabbage harvester is no exception. It moves steadily, works delicately, and collects head after head as if it knows each one is destined for a perfect jar of sauerkraut. Harvesting elegance in action. Italians know machinery, especially when it comes to tomatoes. Corima's new 2-row harvester doesn't just collect, it handles the fruit gently, quickly, and without losses. Up to 25 tons per hour, all under the bright Italian sun. This powerful machine can transplant trees whole, with roots and soil intact, carefully excavating them for a new home. Its unique shovel gently lifts the soil around the roots, preserving the integrity of the root system. The Varimaster starts by adjusting the working width to suit different soil types. Powerful plowshares cut into the soil and flip layers, evenly distributing organic matter and improving aeration. Powerful knives and rollers delicately process corn on the move, stripping the cobs clean in real time. This machine operates continuously, harvesting and cleaning crops twice as fast while keeping each kernel intact. The Kolnag potato planter plants 4 rows in a single pass. Its automatic tuber feeding system gently places them into prepared furrows, while rear closers cover the planting with soil, creating optimal conditions for growth. Imagine a monster in the field. The Nexat Widespan Trägerfahrzeug. This powerful machine, with a working width of up to 120 feet, transforms the concept of farming. Its versatile platform makes it easy to change work modules for different tasks, from seeding to harvesting. Its 1,500 horsepower engine and speeds of up to 6 miles per hour make it indispensable on large plots. Imagine how quickly and efficiently it gets the job done, saving you time and resources. The 3-wheel reaper binder harvests wheat, rice, oats, barley, etc., and automatically binds the bundles in one operation. The use of BCS reaper binder ensures almost 100% straw harvesting and complete grain recovery with minimal shattering losses. This not only saves time, but also proves to be very economical and profitable due to lower operating costs compared to manual harvesting. Harvesting, reaping and tying is done at the rate of 1 acre per hour and diesel consumption of 1 liter. Kuhn has released and officially launched its new self-propelled autonomous feeder, capable of serving up to 280 cows on a livestock farm. Aura, as it's called, operates autonomously. With the help of GPS and RTK system, it's able to move autonomously around the farm, collecting and distributing feed to numerous animals. Built-in loading and weighing modules calculate the exact mix of feed additives, including grass and corn, as well as the necessary supplements and concentrates. Mixing and chopping speeds can be adjusted to create a uniform feed with a palatable consistency. The 56 horsepower diesel engine enables the machine to operate for a week in continuous loading and feeding mode, making the Aura a truly autonomous assistant. The Zurn 110 is a combine harvester, and it's so compact that it looks like it could fit in your garage. It's ideal for those who want a clean, unadulterated grain harvest. This machine is easy to operate and does not require complicated setup, which is especially appreciated by breeders and small experimental farms. Moreover, there's no need to worry about transportation. Thanks to its lightweight and compact dimensions, the Zurn 110 can be easily moved between fields, even if they are far apart. And thanks to its modular design, this combine harvester can be customized to suit any needs and wishes. The Vervet Machinery Q621 self-propelled beet harvester has its name for a reason. The Q in the name means that the machine has 4 wheels, and the 6 indicates that the harvester harvests 6 rows of beets in one pass. And the 21 at the end indicates that the hopper of this machine holds 21 tons. The CS beet cutter is installed in the nose, and the heart of the machine is a powerful DAF PACCAR MX390 engine with 530 horsepower. And to ensure that the beets get to the storage or processing area without any problems, a loader such as the DeWolf R7050 can often help. This hand attachment from Koppel does 2 jobs in one pass: mowing and swathing. Whether it's preparing feed for livestock or clearing the field, the multitasker handles it perfectly, ensuring the ideal condition of your cultivated land. And the most interesting thing is that regardless of the size of your field, the Koppel multitasker will help you get the job done faster and easier while maintaining high quality for future feed. If your farm needs a real superhero bale stacker, the Stinger Stacker 8500 is ready to help. This unit turns bale handling into an exciting show, carefully picking and stacking them with precision and grace. Thanks to a powerful hydraulic systems and sturdy construction, the 8500 handles any task, whether it's stacking or transporting bales. Forget back pain and tedious hours of work. The Stinger Stacker 8500 will do it all for you, leaving only true pleasure from perfectly done work. The 2023 New Holland CR11 has deservedly won a gold medal at the 2023 Agritechna as the largest and most productive combine in the world. It's powered by a 16-liter engine with 750 horsepower. Engineers installed large rotors, new cleaning and separation systems, and expanded the sieve mill with 2 larger and 2 smaller sieves. A new crop residue spreading system helps ensure a more efficient wheat harvesting process. In addition to its technical excellence, the CR11 has a modern design and a comfortable operator's cabin. Even in the event of a blockage, the combine can clean itself, avoiding the need to leave the cab. CornNext offers a solution for extending the shelf life of green fodder, which the experts have perfected after extensive research and tests on the preparation of baled silage from corn. This machine, for example, has patented technology and the lowest silage baling costs. The technique can produce 110-pound bales, which are the most convenient to handle and use due to their shape. The machine operates at an exceptional compaction speed, which results in the highest quality silage. Moreover, worth highlighting is the 6-layer packaging with UV protection and the ability to produce 20 to 25 tons daily. Also, a big plus is the possibility of automatic packing, weighing, and ejection of the bales. Bellinger Estates and Warriors Rest, 2 prominent players in the world of winemaking, have chosen the path of innovation to protect their 5-acre vineyards by turning their attention to Avix Automatics laser technology. Goodbye, pesky starlings and sparrows that used to be constant intruders enjoying their grapes. Replacing loud sirens and extensive nets with lasers doesn't just sound like a plot from a science fiction movie, but it's been shown to be practically effective. This change in tactics has not only resulted in less crop damage from birds, but has also significantly reduced labor costs. Now, in the run-up to harvest, owners can breathe more freely knowing that their labors are protected by an invisible but powerful laser barrier. The historic building of the First Spiritualist Church in Springfield, Massachusetts was moved to a new location in April 2016. To make way for the development of the MGM Springfield Casino, the 1887 church was relocated 400 feet. This task required 68 steel beams and 20 hydraulic jacks for lifting, and then 14 Buckingham dollies for transporting the building. This process not only saved the church from demolition, but also showed the possibility of combining development and historical preservation. When you need a slag carrier that can withstand any challenge, the Technicuro Slag Taurus is your ideal choice. Its super strength and reliability are ensured by a cat pivot bearing and an exclusive safety system. Choose between a platform and a U-shaped frame depending on your tasks. If you're worried about the operating costs, don't be. The Slag Taurus guarantees minimal life cycle costs, providing excellent value for money and a long service life. Meet the mobile mixer for biogas installations from Holzel Agrosystem, an innovative solution for the agricultural sector. This mixer is designed for thorough mixing of organic waste in biogas station tanks. Thanks to its mobility, it easily moves between different containers, ensuring uniform mixing and improving the methane production process. Ideal for those looking to increase the productivity of their biogas installations and improve the quality of the produced renewable energy. Who said that the good times in agriculture were better? Meet the Model 4614 from Kelly, an agro-technological wonder ready to turn your approach to growing soybeans in Kansas. This machine is so advanced compared to its predecessor, the 4012, that it added not only a wider working width to its arsenal, but also dual tires for unparalleled traction. No matter if you're driving on a flat road or rough terrain, increased passability and higher ground clearance make the Model 4614 the perfect choice for working on terraced fields. Your future soybean harvest will definitely thank you. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.